Hello students, this is Uma Vidushi, your English teacher, and I hope you all are doing absolutely good. Welcome back once again in my English grammar class, and today I am going to teach you about where not to use articles. It means we are going to learn about omission of articles. In the previous video, I have taught you about what are articles and where they are used. Now, without further ado, let's begin today's class and let's come to know that where we do not use articles. Dear viewers, if you are watching this video, so I am hoping that you have already watched my first part of this video, which is about articles a and the. Today, we are going to know about where we do not use articles, which is also said like omission of articles, which is something very important part for your understanding, because we understand that where we have to use articles, but sometimes we students get confused that we don't understand that where you have to use articles. Okay, so now let's see where you do not use articles. Before the name of relations, means before the name of any relation like father, uncle, sister, we do not use articles. Then before the name of any material like gold, silver, diamond, sugar, wood, for these things we don't use articles. Before proper noun, means you can say before name of any person or cities like Lotus Temple, Chennai, Priya, Lucknow, Ankit. With these all words we don't mention, we do not put articles. Then we also not use articles before any abstract noun like honesty, wisdom, truth. Then articles are not used before any language like Tamil, Hindi, English, Kannada, like that. Then it is also not used before certain phrases like at afternoon, by train, on foot, all night, by air, by sea, all day, by train, by bus. Okay, so these are some several examples where we do not use articles. Then articles are also not used before the name of cities like Patna, Lucknow, Delhi, Agra, like that. Then it is also not used before the name of any sports like football, cricket, badminton, tennis, lawn tennis, etc. When talking about something in general, we do not use articles like ostriches, dogs, like dogs are faithful animals, so we do not use any article over here. Before plural countable nouns when used in general sense like oranges, rivers, schools. Then we also don't use articles before any uncountable nouns like gold, money, sugar. These all are uncountable nouns. Now let's do one exercise where you have to fill these blanks using a, and, or, the. Sri Lanka is dash island. So as you can see here that the word starts with I. So here you will write an island. She gave Sita dash 1 rupee note. Maya wore dash red color sari. He is dash honorable man. He met with dash accident on his way home. Now let's check the answer. Sri Lanka is an island. She gave Sita a 1 rupee note. Maya wore the red color sari. Why we have used here the? Because we are talking about a specific thing, that red color sari. He is an honorable man because the word starts with H. and it sounds O, so that's why here an. He met with an accident on his way. Now let's see few more exercises. Dash Ganga is dash holy water. He worked efficiently as MLA. Dash Bible is dash scared book of Christians. Heaven is dash happiest place. Buying a dash umbrella is not dash urgent need. Now let's check the answer. Yes, I hope you all have done this exercise before. The Gangas is a holy water. He worked efficiently as an MLA. The Bible is the scared book of Christians. Heaven is the happiest place. Last, buying an umbrella is not a urgent need. So as you can see here, both words started with you, but in the first word we have mentioned an, whereas in the second word we have mentioned a. Why this is so? Because the first word umbrella, which sounds vowel, whereas the second word urgent, which sounds consonant. So that's why here you have to use a. Now, I hope you were enjoying these activities. So, I have brought some more exercises for you. Dash Sahara is biggest desert in dash world. Mani bought dash car. We went to dash temple and saw dash elephant eating bananas. Shekhar is dash advocate who is working in dash USA. Dash respective from dash representative from Australia is dash excellent speaker. Now let's match what you have done. The Sahara is the biggest desert in the world. Here, as it is the name of the desert, so that's why here you have to write the Sahara, and the word biggest is the superlative degree of adjective, so that's why again here you have to use the. Mani bought a car. We went to the temple and saw an elephant eating bananas. Shekhar is an advocate who is working in the USA. The representative from Australia is an excellent speaker. So I hope all the answers are absolutely right. So that's all in today's class, students. I hope you have understood all the things, especially related to a and the. Where to use, how to use, and where not to use. So revise these topics again and again so that you may not forget it and you can use efficiently in your sentences. Thank you so much for staying till here. Take care. Bye-bye.